Hey guys, Steven here. I'm here in the kitchen and our Quiet Partner 4 is not working. You can see the dirty dishes on the counter because they're not in the dishwasher. Because the dishwasher is not cleaning our dishes very good. So today we're going to try and figure out what's going on. And I have a couple suspicions, but we're going to take some things apart down underneath the drain area and in the area back where the water goes up to the top. This is a reverse thread. You just unscrew this piece on top and the whole bottom, the whole jets come off. And now what we're going to need is some hex head star driver for these 3 screws right here. So these are T20 screws, or T20 heads. And they'll come off, should come off pretty easy. Oftentimes when the dishwasher is not cleaning as well as it should be, it's either because the water's not getting to the proper nozzle, this spinny thing up here, or the drain is clogged because as it's going through a rinse cycle or a drain, it won't drain fast enough and some debris and food can get built up and stay in the bottom. So when it goes through a drain cycle, it will just spread the food around because it's not getting drained properly. You can see a notch where it turns to the side, and it's hard to turn to the side while this whole plastic piece is on. So you can take one screw right back here off. To make this a little easier, I'm going to go ahead and take this drawer out. This has to pop off this little cap, pressing right in the middle there, and then I can take the drawer right out. Now this back portion should wiggle a little better for us. This top one off as well, I do. So now you'll see this whole piece can wiggle around a little bit more. So rotate it to the right. That doesn't appear to be our issue. From here I can take the center piece out, screw right here, just allow this whole top piece to come off. Ooh, a toothpick. Yes, 2 toothpicks. This looks like a grape. This one right here is a T15. And with that out, this just comes right out. Now you can see where all the gunk is. One thing that I've noticed is that this dishwasher's been making a little bit more noise than normal. It's a little blade that runs across a screen, a metal screen. When the screen gets full of stuff that's hard, the blade comes over it and makes a grinding noise. And the funny part is that's actually how we got this dishwasher. It was a used dishwasher, and the person said that it was pretty new, but was making so much noise that they thought something was bad. It ended up that there was some broken piece of porcelain from a china that broke and got down in the disposer. And this blade spins all the time when when the drain is going, and it makes a lot of noise. This can be tricky to get out. Now with a screwdriver, I'm just going to take the screwdriver right between the little retaining clip and the blade, and just carefully and slowly try and move that out without breaking the plastic. Now the blade should slide right off. There's a washer right behind the blade. Notice that right here. So it goes screen, washer, blade, this plastic retaining clip right here. So there's another washer, or a little metal washer right behind the screen. You can see just how full of gunk this screen is, and all of the water needs to be going through that screen. So if this is clogged, then the dishwasher doesn't drain fast enough. All right, so I've got the screen cleaned off pretty nicely now. I just ran some water and my fingers over that until everything came off. The other part I do want to clean a little bit more is this screen, this mesh, this plastic mesh. You can get this off by just taking a screwdriver and slowly prying around the sides. So now that's off, and we can see some junk that's gathered underneath here. So I'll just run this into the sink and get all this clean. Okay, so I've got everything back together. I ran a load and everything looks much cleaner now. There was junk that wasn't getting cleaned from the top. And a lot of the cups were not getting cleaned very much at all. So I think this little repair job of cleaning that screen did the trick. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe to the channel where we'll have some more videos on how to take care of stuff around the house and how to fix things. We'll see you again next time.